audible to you all? Okay, okay. So our project we will going to do, and I will assign you. I will assign two projects. You can choose either. First one is the hospital management system, and second one is the HR management system. Do you aware with these words? Am I audible to you? No, no. Okay. So in the hospital management system, you have to create a list or just like a dictionary in which you are taking the input from the user, his name. Firstly, you can create the three part. First is for the doctor, second is for the patient, and third is for the workers. I will share you the, sir, I have a doubt. Yeah, Janardhan. I have to unmute you, Surya. Yeah, you can do the project in the morning. I'm just saying that you don't have to do the project. You, whenever you getting your time free, that you have a time, you can do your project, whether it is morning or evening or afternoon. That doesn't matter for me. I want the project from everyone at 25th of November. And if you have any doubt between these days doing the project, you can ask me. No, no, no. No need to do in the class timing. Who said you to do it in the class timing? I'm just saying that if you have any doubt regarding that is the different thing, how and when do you submit? First, create the project. Yeah, if you complete the project, Janardhan, then we will think about that, whether you are taking the classes or not. Yeah, I will explain the about the project. Is my screen is visible to you? Okay, okay. So what you will have to do, you have to create a system in which you are, this is the hospital management system. My voice is not audible. Yeah, you can do it anywhere. Windows 6, Windows 7. In the Windows 6 or 7, you have your Internet Explorer or the Google Chrome. You can go over there, search Google Colab, and do your project over there. And after doing that particular project, you can save it in your local computer. Yeah, you can do it in the Google Colab. There is no issue. So in the hospital management system, you have to create the three variables. In first, you have to take the information from the doctor. In the second, you have to take the information from the you patient, and in the third, you have to take the information from the workers. First one is the doctor. In the second, it is patient. First, you have to take the information from the doctor, second, patient, and third is from the co-workers who are helping the patient and the doctors. In particular, that you have to, in the doctors, you can take their first name, last name, and specialization. Okay. In the doctor's part, you can take name, name, specialization. What do you want from the doctors? Yeah, you can do it in the VS Code also. Yeah, record. I have recorded the classes. Okay, I will. Salary, qualification. In the specialization, it is already come. Prescription. This is not the part of the management system. Prescription is given by the doctor to the patient. This is not come in the management. Hospital name. No. Yeah, experience. We can take the experience. Yeah, this is the good example. Experience. And as a point of view from the patient, you can take his record as a name, in which department he is, getting added, and what is his or her problem. By the coworker, you can take his name, his position, and his qualification. Name, qualification, and position. At which position he or she is doing the work in the particular hospital. Name, patient name, department in which he or she is going to treat himself or herself. Name and department. And what is the third? As a user, patient age. Yeah. Co-worker means just like a nurses, peon, who are doing the help for the doctor or a patient. Patient disease. This is come in the department. In which department he or she is treating herself or himself. A name, department, age. One more thing is, yeah, any more thing? We will left it in patient problem. Uh, Yeah, gender is one more thing. Occupation of what? Jilakara. Health certificate. No. So you have to just create this particular management as a hospital management system. Then you have to take the three. For example, I am the person who are getting the access and want to see all the these things, like how many patient, how many doctors present over in your hospital. So for that management, you have to create a interface or just like a application or a code so that we can easily get the information about that. Yeah, for the database, you can use the Excel. It is very easy. Or you can use, if you don't want to use the Excel, you can do it in the Google, Python also. You can use the list or dictionary. It is easy for you. Yeah, you can do it in the Colab. No, there is no need to store the patient treatment medical history. Uh, Patient department means that in which department he or she is getting treated by the doctors. There are so many departments of the medical field. Just like if you have the pain in your muscle, bone, you can go in the orthopedic. If you have any problem in your brain, you can go in the neurologist. Dilkara, I will give you the brief introduction that I've already given you. I didn't tell you each and everything about that. You can think over it. If you're getting any problem or any doubt, then you can ask me. Yeah, you can use the name of the doctor also. Patient registration. Yeah, you can use. I'm not saying that you can only take these boundaries. This is just for the example. If you want to increase this particular thing or this particular thing, the patient co-workers, you can use that. I'm just giving you the brief explanation about the project. Uh, on the Python, if you have your own project on the Python, you can do it. Oh wow, Chaitanya, I will show you the example. Then you are going to do that particular project. Except expecting output is the information which is storing by you. Second project is about the HR management. You have to take the HR management of our website. You can go for, I will show you. In our website, we have the three HR. Okay, just tell me what is HR. Do you know what is HR? Yeah, you have to create a list. Human resources, yeah. In every company or big firm, there are a HR department. In particular HR department, if company have three or four or five department, they take care of all the department for hiring a person, for lay off that person, his work, what he's going to do in the future, what he's doing the project in the present time, salary. Yeah, Manisha ma'am is in the HR department. Yeah, who makes the interview also. So you have to just create a HR management system of a particular company. So you have only two projects. One is hospital management. Second one is HR management. So you can take any one of this project and you can create the whole thing by just coding in the Python. You can use the different language also. Different language means just like you can use the database if you have the knowledge about that. Yeah, hotel management using Python. No, you don't have to do the hotel management system. Okay, for the HR, I'm showing you how you can do that. HR department. In the HR department, I have taken the four department we have in the our company. I'm just simply taken. One is the finance, second one is the IT, third one is for the pharma, fourth one is for the banking and finance. Business development. Okay, in this we have the IT, banking, now pharma. So in the HR department, we have the four sub department like business development department, IT department, banking and finance department, and pharma department. So for all these department, you have to create a list just like for the business department, business development department. You have a employee name, employee ID, and his salary, his or her salary. Name, salary, employment ID. Okay, you have to create this all things for the IT, for the banking and finance, and for the pharma also. Name, employment ID, and his or her salary. You can add more such more things. Is it clear? Yeah, you can use the MySQL. For the single, it is just like a management system. You don't have to create for the multiple hospital. You have to just create a system. It take care of the hospitals. The Google Colab. Yeah, obviously there are a hierarchy in the particular project. Yeah, you have to use the Python only as a programming language because this is the Python internship class. You don't have to go anywhere. You have to just manually press the information. Is it clear to you? The hospital management and HR management system. What are the variable we are going to use it in? Yeah. So any of these ones you can do. Either you can do the hospital management or you can do the HR management. You have the 10 days of time, including the today. Our project submission process is just like you have to save the particular code with your name, employment ID, and the registered email also, so that we can get your information with the attendance. No, there is no marks for the project. Yeah, you have to do it in the only Python. You have to submit your code on the Google. I will share you the link. Don't worry about that. You can use not only with the dictionary and list, you can use whatever you want to use in a particular Python. But it is the compulsion that you have to do the project in the Python only. For the database, you can use either SQL, MySQL, or Excel. No, you don't have to do the project in the group. Individually, you have to do the project. I didn't hear anything, Kotha. Yeah, I will show you how you can save the code in your Google Colab. Just wait for a minute. So you can go on the Google Colab. Just type in the search bar. You can type Google Colab. When you open that particular file, you have this particular open interface. At the lower bottom, you have the new notebook. You can click on the new notebook. Now you have to connect over here. You can save your project by doing this on your Google Drive. And when I will uh, take your project, you can share me the link of your Google Drive. After clicking on that particular share link, share bar over here, and in that particular, you can change this restricted from anyone with the link so that I can get your project easily. And then I will verify and you can get your old certificate. Yeah, I will send you the Google today's recording. Yeah, you have to share your link of the Google Drive. When you write the particular code on the Google Colab, your this particular file is going to saved on the your Gmail drive. So you can share me your Gmail drive or over here you can share the Google Colab link. When I will asking you for the project submission, you can share me. Durga Bhavani, which Google Colab I have to share in the WhatsApp group? Yeah, I will share you the whole the PPT link and the Google Colab of the classes which I have taken. Yeah, you have to do either one project, whether it is hospital or HR. No, you don't get the certificate if you don't submit the project. Just press Control Save, Control S. It is saving. or it is like just auto saved. If I'm writing something over here, like I have write the print and then 1 comma 2 comma 3. You just have to press Control S. Over here you have the pop-up and all changes saved. My code is successfully saved. So whenever I will open this again, it will print the same thing. It will show these two particular print statement all the time. Okay. You have to do just one project. Either it is hospital or it is HR management. I'm going to take your two doubt session. One is on Monday, which is 21st November, and one is on Thursday, which is 24th of November. And on 25th of November, I will take your the project from you. Between these times, like tomorrow you don't have any classes, day after tomorrow you don't have any classes. In 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. These days you don't have any classes, you have to do the project work. On 21st and on 23rd, you have the doubt classes regarding the project. If you are facing any issue, you can let me know. No, no, no. You don't have to because it is very difficult for me or Manisha ma'am also. We can't reply everyone. Today's also I have to reply 50 odd student regarding the attendance. And guys, let me clear one more thing to you. Is if your name is not present in the Excel sheet, then you don't have to take the classes. And this is not created by manually. If you have joined the class, this class at 5:30, then in the Excel sheet it is showing simply that you have joined the class at 5:30. Your name, your Gmail is present over there. So you don't have to worry about that. And if your name and Gmail is not present in the Excel sheet, then this is simple that you don't have taken the classes. Yeah, I will share you the today's recording link. G Balaji, this is your first class? G Balaji, then why are you asking that how we write the code in the Google Colab? All the coding question and all the practical part I have shown in the Google Colab. Then, yeah, for the project it is also same. In the project, what you have to do? You have to write the code. So you can write in the Google Colab also. If you taken your classes from your parents' mobile, in your parents' mobile there is a email ID by which you have taken the classes. So you have to create the project with also the same Gmail account so that it is easy for us to recognize it. Yeah, Chaitanya. I have already sent it in the WhatsApp group. You have to print all the records. For that, you have to iterating through all the list, whichever you have presented. Then you have to print as output in the just like form. You don't have to survey Malay. You just have to create it a simple module or simple program. Sadullah, can you please share it again? Yeah, you have a particular time. You have to upload your project at 25th of November. Guys, why you don't understand the process? I don't said you that you don't have to visit the hospitals or the company for the project. You just have to create. Yeah, on that particular day you can upload at any time. K. Krupanand, what's your doubt? Yeah, you guys, I am saying that you just have to create a program and write the code. This is the simple thing for the HR and the hospital management. You don't have to go anywhere, either in the hospital, either in the company. Okay. No, over here you have to do the projects. Yeah, only program and code. Output will came as a information which is stored in your program. Either it is the name of the doctor's patient or coworker. PM Chokalingam, did you get what is your project and how you gonna do it? If you don't have any doubt, you can leave the class. Yeah, you can use the ID. Yeah, Veer Krishna Arjun. Whenever we want the data and the information about the co-worker, patient, or the doctor, we can access through that particular program. You have to make it dynamic so that if I want to enter some information in that particular program, I can enter it. You don't have to create just for the single hospital only one doctor and one patient. That process is just the simple things. You have to create the list in a particular mm, program, and in particular list, first you have to take the input from the user, what they want to do. Either he or she want to see the records which is already present in the list, or he or she is wanted to insert something. So for that you have to use the if or else condition. In that particular if and else, you can do the project. You have to create the multiple list. You have to think about the algos, what we are going to do. You are free to use whatever you want to use. I just simply want the project from you all the guys. And if you are facing any problem during the code or making the project, you can we have the two doubt session. One is on Monday and one is on Thursday, 25th, 21st and 24th of November. by the mail. I have shared you the link of the Excel sheet. You can put all your details on the Google form. Don't worry about where you have to submit your project. First, create that. Yeah, I will show you. This all things, name, employee ID, and salary is for the IT, banking and finance, and the pharma also. What should I have to share? Okay, I have to share it in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, you can leave the class if you don't have any doubt. We will meet on the Monday, discuss your problems, and do the research over this hospital management and HR management. On Monday, if anybody have any doubt, first I will see your program, how much program you have written. Okay.